Now moving on to the local news. Now the holidays aren't always a happy time. For some, they struggle with seasonal depression on top of the disorder itself. But today I spoke with a doctor about a new e-prescribing app that's shaping how mental health is being treated across the nation and throughout Bryan and College Station. Anxiety, isolation, and depression can all be tough to deal during the holidays. And an app called iPrescribe, where prescribers and health providers can communicate with patients while fulfilling their needs, is changing mental health care.
Who doesn't need help, especially this time of season?
Chief Medical Officer Colin Banas with Dr. First, an industry leader that created iPrescribe, says with technology already being heavily used to get prescriptions, aiding to improve mental health, making for a better connection with people, debunking the mental health stigma.
I think removing the stigma of seeking help, especially when it relates to things like anxiety or depression. And I think it's on us, in the industry to help remove that stigma.
He says iPrescribe gives people a non-traditional care type of setting that doesn't keep doctors stuck to computers.
You almost cannot call in prescriptions or especially write them by hand.
In an emergency, patients needing prescriptions for anxiety, depression, and more, Banna says can still access it.
How am I going to get that to the patient? Well, the app makes it very easy for the provider to do that.
Brazos County Sheriff Wayne Dickey says lack of resources, though, tend to show up in the justice system.
When we lose a healthcare provider like the facility on Rock Prairie, that has an impact. And so often people end up in the criminal justice system rather than the healthcare system.
He says it's a team trying to provide care and use the advancement of technology to overall improve mental health.
And anything that advances that effort will make our community better.
And that app is available in all app stores. And he says this season welcomes the type of care that iPrescribe is encouraging people to use.